Hi guys, today I will show you this tool. So this one is Knipex 4611A0. So circlip or snap ring plier. So you can see here the specs 3 to 10 millimeters. So this one is external. Okay, so I'll just open this now. Probably just cut this. Then cut this one as well. Okay, then can probably remove the tool. This is still oh yeah, it should be going that way. I'm struggling a little bit. Yeah, okay, just remove the plastic. So show you again a 4611A0. so this one is external, so and also the tip is very small, so it's 0.9 millimeter. This one is used for very small snap ring or circlip. See here I have assorted circlips. This one is internal one, and this one is this one is internal, external. Meaning internal, when you press the handle it will close, then but this one is external, so when you press the tip opens. Okay, so and say this one is very small, so it can be used only for the small type. You cannot use this one on the big one because it will break the tip. So try the small one. Okay, then you can just open like that. See the opening. Then you can put it in the place. Okay, so I think that I opened it too much. Normally you can just open a little bit when you put it in the proper shaft. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. This one is Knipex chrome vanadium and made in Germany. Okay, again, thank you for watching.